Thanks for clicking this video. If you came here through TikTok, let me see your hi or hello in the comment section, and then I'll just give you a like, and then I'll just comment back, okay? And one thing that you should know is that the first 20 people to comment this, okay, as you can see, we have some emojis on the screen. Make sure you comment this emoji, and then you get some free airtime or data, okay? So just comment. The first 20 people to do this will get the free airtime or data. It's just for the first 20. So if you haven't turned on your notification bell, make sure you turn it on, so that when we upload the video, you get notified, you come here, you watch, you comment, and yeah, you get your free data or airtime, okay? And also, our mega giveaway will be coming up this month ending, okay? So take note of that. It will be coming off right here, either live or we'll be posting videos. And also on TikTok, we'll be doing the live, and then we'll be sharing airtime and data as well. So take note of that this month, April, okay? So for you to convert your SMS to airtime or data, first of all, you should be using MTN, and secondly, you should have more than 3,000 SMS on your SIM card. And these two things are the requirements for you to just convert the SMS to data or airtime, okay? So let me check my balance to serve as a proof, so that you understand or know that what we do here really works. And as you can see on the screen, I have more than 3,000 SMS, so I'm good to go. So we are not going to download the code, or you're not going to use our caller, but you're going to use the MTN app. And also, if you want to know how you can just convert the airtime that you have to Momo or physical cash, or if you want to know how you can send airtime from one SIM card to another SIM card, or if you want to know how you can just make money from your WhatsApp status, we have a lot of videos that can really help you a lot. So check in the comment section or the description, or I'll leave some on the screen so that you just watch and then know how you can just do all this right here on this channel. So subscribe, and please like the video for me. Please like, and then let's continue with it. So all these things, or all those videos, they all work, okay? All the videos that we have on this channel works. And the video that doesn't work are those videos that we post on 1st April, okay? That's April Fool. Those videos doesn't work at all. And I posted this video on 1st April. So see you again, guys. 1st April, April Fool. So sorry guys, I'm still researching on this, so if I find it, I'll just post it here. So subscribe and like the video, and then I'll catch you again. Please.